Hi guys, my name's Julianne and today I'm going to be showing you just how powerful the Black & Decker cordless vacuum cleaner is even on hardwood floors. So it works wonderfully on all surfaces, carpet, tile, hardwood floor. Thanks to these silicone rubber wheels, it moves wonderfully on all those surfaces and also helps protect the floors as well, which is super cool. So it's got some nice rubber wheels, which honestly do such an amazing job. And the brush tool itself actually moves so wonderfully, so it glides very easily and it's very versatile. You can see you can also lock it in its upright position so you can stand the vacuum cleaner up whenever you are not using it, which is really cool. So that's an awesome feature that it has. Boom. So it's very versatile. You can use the vacuum cleaner in handheld and upright position. Maybe you want to use it to clean your car or your upholstery, whatever you want to do. It's very versatile, and it also has a cool light feature whenever you're using it in the floor position. So super cool. It's got a spacious dustbin that's easy to empty. It's got 2 speeds and a very long battery life, which is awesome. It's super easy to charge. You can store it in its upright arm. You can hang it up and mount it on the wall and store it to take up no space. It's just very small and lightweight, so it's very space savvy. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you just how powerful it is on this hardwood floor. So let's go ahead and turn it on. So, boom, I'm going to take it out of its upright position. And let's go ahead and see it in action. Boom. So even on its lowest setting, it literally picked up all of those dust crumbs and everything on the hardwood desk, which is awesome because sometimes vacuum cleaners aren't the best on hardwood floor, and this vacuum cleaner is, which is totally a game changer. So it works on hardwood floor, it works on tile, carpet. It's absolutely amazing no matter what floor you have. So if you're someone that has a hardwood floor house primarily, it's awesome. And even if you have a carpet house or a little bit of both, it totally works on all those surfaces amazingly. It's a total game changer and I definitely recommend.